Huntsville Tinsel Trail features more than 100 decorated Christmas trees at Big Spring Park. It's a chance for many to spread their Christmas spirit with unique, colorful decorations. But for others, it's an opportunity to show the difference they've made. WAFF 48's Noah Cowles shows us why one tree stands out above the rest.
Over 1,000 babies are cared for in Huntsville Hospital's neonatal ICU every year. Babies who are born weeks to months early and may not survive. But for almost 20 years, the Melissa George Neonatal Memorial Fund has provided nearly every piece of equipment to help save those lives.
We raise money to buy life-saving equipment for the neonatal ICU at Huntsville Hospital for Women and Children. We also provide family support and bereavement support for those families who also, like us, aren't able to bring their child home.
In 2005, Amy gave birth to twin girls 14 weeks early. One spent 68 days in the NICU battling for her life and survived. The other died after a couple hours. Her name, Melissa George.
We were able to take, that tragedy for us and hopefully turn it into something that's been able to help other families.
Amy and her husband Chris have raised $5.6 million to help fund Huntsville's NICU, and now they have a tree showing several of the children's lives they've saved and families' lives they've impacted forever. One of those children, Berkeley, has made a visit to the tree 7 years after his life was saved and saw himself in the arms of his mother. Berkeley's mother says her son is an example of a child who would not have survived without the neonatal fund.
Without them, our story could have been completely different. We may or may not have a 7.5-year-old now. So I definitely think they had a huge impact on, not only our lives, but Berkeley's.
The Georges have this tree up every year to show what they've been able to accomplish, and they don't plan on stopping anytime soon.
I'm so happy with how it turned out, because I think anybody that walks through Tinsel Trail and sees this is going to understand what Melissa's Fund does and why we exist. These babies, they're the ones who tell the story.